Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today we are going to practice exercise 3. In this exercise we are going to divide the given numbers. The first question is 4048 divided by 4. First we have to arrange the numbers in the division bar. 4048 divided by 4. Here 4 is the divisor. So we are going to use 4 table. Take the first digit. Look at the table. 4 ones are 4. So we have the exact number 4. So write 1 in the quotient and 4 below the number. Now subtract 4 minus 4, it is 0. Now bring down the next number, it is 0. While doing the long division, the number after bringing down a digit is smaller than the divisor. That means 0 is smaller than 4. In this case, we have to write 0 in the quotient. That means 0 about the digit brought down and bring down the next digit. That is 4. Now again we have 4 times 1 is 4. So exactly we have 4. So write 1 in the quotient and 4 down. Now subtract 4 minus 4. It is 0. Now bring down the next number 8. Look at the table now. Do you have exactly 8 in the table? Yes, we have 4 times 2 is 8. So write 2 in the quotient and 8 below the number. Now subtract 8 minus 8. It is 0. Until you get 0, you have to divide the number. Here the quotient is 1012 and the remainder is 0. Now write down the answer. Quotient is 1012 and the remainder is 0. Is this clear? Yes, we will move to the next question. 6300 divided by 9. Here the divisor is 9. So we are going to use 9 table. Arrange the numbers first. 6300 divided by 9. Take the first digit. It is 6. Will you get 6 in 9 table? No. In the first term we have 9. But here the dividend is smaller than 9. So we are going to take 2 digits. That is 63. Now look at the table. Yes, 9 sevens are 63. We have the number exactly 63 in 7th time. So 9 sevens are 63. 63 minus 63, it is 0. Now look at the dividend children. We have only 0. In this case, we can write the zeros directly to the quotient. Listen children, when you have only 0 in the dividend, you can write in the quotient. You can copy the zeros in the quotient. Now the quotient is 700 and the remainder is 0. You can copy down the zeros in the quotient only when you have 0 in the dividend. So here answer is quotient equals 700 and the remainder is 0. This is the answer. Shall we move to the next question? Yes, in second Roman letter also we are going to divide the numbers by the given divisor. First question is 5680 divided by 8. 8 is the divisor here and 5680 is the dividend. Now we are going to use 8 table. Look at the first digit, children. It is 5. 5 is less than the divisor. So we cannot divide. As I told you, if the dividend is smaller than the divisor, we have to take the next digit, that is 2 digits together we have to take. Now we have 56. It is greater than the divisor. Now look at the 8th table. Yes, 8 sevens are 56. We have the number exactly in 7th time. So 8 sevens are 56. Write 7 in the quotient. 56 below the number. Now subtract the numbers. You will get 0. Now bring down the next digit. It is 8. Yes, now the divisor and the number is equal. So look at the table. 8 ones are 8. So we have 8 in the first time. So 8 ones are 8. Write 1 in the quotient and 8 below the number. If you subtract, what will you get? Yes, 0. Now look at the next digit, children. It is 0. As I told you, if the remaining number is only 0, straight away we can write in the quotient. So here, what is the quotient? 710. And what is the remainder? 0. Write down the answer. Quotient is 710 and the remainder is 0. Is this clear, children? Yes, we'll move to the next question. Next question is 1248 divided by 2. 2 is the divisor and 1248 is the dividend. Now we have arranged the numbers. Now look at the first digit of the dividend. It is 1. We cannot divide this because it is smaller than the divisor. So we are going to take the next digit also. 2 digits together. So 12 we have. Can you have 12 in 2 table? Look at the table. Yes, 2 6 are 12. So 6th time we have 12. So write 6 in the quotient. 12 below the number. Now subtract. You will get 0. Now bring down the next number. It is 4. Do we have 4 in 2 table? Yes, 2 2s are 4. So write 2 in the quotient and 4 below the number. Now subtract. 4 minus 4 is 0. Now we have 8. Bring down the digit 8. Look at the table. Do we have 8 in the 2 table? Yes, we have. 2 4s are 8. So exactly we have 8 in the table. So 4 times 2 is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Yes, we got the answer. 624 is the quotient and 0 is the remainder. Let us write the answer. Quotient is 624 and the remainder is 0. Is this clear? Yes, children. Now we'll move to the next question. Yes, next one is a word problem. Let us read out the question, then we'll do the sum. 4 friends decided to put in equal amounts of money to buy a tablet computer for rupees 5,872. How much money did each friend give? Listen, 4 friends have decided to buy a tablet computer and the cost of the computer is 5,872. So we have the total amount and 4 of the friends are going to share the money. So number of friends is 4 and the total cost of a computer is 5,872. We want to find how much money did each friend give. Listen, each friend, that is, we have to find out how much a person should give. 4 of the friends have paid 5,872. We want to find how much a person should give. So, many things to one thing. We have to divide. So, we are going to divide the given amount by 4 to get the amount each person should give. Let us write the solution. Total cost of the tablet computer. Total cost of the tablet computer. How much? Yes, it is rupees 5,872. And how many friends have decided to share the amounts? Yes, it is 4. So, number of friends, that is 4. Now, what we want to find? Amount each friend should give. How can we find the amount? Yes, we are going to divide the rupees 5,872 by 4. That means we are going to divide the number 5,872 by 4. Now arrange the numbers. 5,872 divided by 4. So divisor is 4. We are going to use 4 table to divide the number. Take the first digit. Yes, it is bigger than the divisor. Now look at the table. Do we have 5 in 4 table? 4 times 1 is 4 and 4 times 2 is 8. In the second term we have 8, but it is bigger than the first digit of the dividend. So what we have to do? We have to take the first time, that is 4 ones are 4. So write 1 in the quotient, 4 below the number. 5 minus 4 is 1. And now bring down the next digit. It is 8. Now check in the 4 table. 4 fours are 16 and 4 fives are 20. 20 is greater than the number. So we have to choose 16, which is less than the number. So 4 fours are 16. We are going to choose 4 in the quotient, 16 below the number. Now if you subtract, you will get 8 minus 6, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. Now bring down the next number. It is 27. Look at the table. 4 sevens are 28. But 28 is bigger than the number. So we have to choose the sixth term, that is 24. So write 6 in the quotient, 24 below the number. Now subtract 27 minus 24. 7 minus 4, 3. 2 minus 2, 0. Now we have 3. It is less than the divisor. So we have to bring down the next digit. What is the next digit, children? It is 2. So now we have 32. Look at the table. Do we have 32 in 4 table? Check. Yes, 4 8s are 32. We have the exact number. So in 8th time we get 32. Now subtract the numbers. You will get 0. So now 1468 is the quotient and 0 is the remainder. Listen children, the quotient is the answer. That means the amount each friend should give. So how much each friend should give? Yes, rupees 1468. This is what the answer. Now let us write the answer. Each friend should give rupees 1468. This is what each friend should give to buy the tablet computer. Is this clear, children? Shall we move to the next question? Yes. The next question is, a factory produced 2348 markers in a day. These were packed 8 in a box. How many boxes were packed? How many markers were left over? Listen children. Left over is the clue word of division. This is one of the clue word of division. Now listen. A factory produced 2348 markers in one day. Okay, and they were packed in a box also. 8 in a box. So they were packed 8 markers in one box. Now what we want to find is how many boxes were packed and how many markers were left over. So here the quotient is the number of boxes packed and the remainder is the number of markers left over. Now let us find out the solution. What will be the first statement? Yes, total number of markers produced. Total number of markers produced. How many markers they were produced? 2348. 48. And how many markers were packed in one box? Number of markers packed in one box. It is 8. Now we want to find number of boxes packed. How can we find? By dividing 2348 divided by 8. Yes, now let us divide the numbers. Before that, what we want to do? Yes, we have to arrange the numbers. 2348 divided by 8. So we need to look at the 8th table. Now take the first digit of the dividend. It is 2 and the divisor is 8. It is smaller than the divisor, so we cannot divide. So we have to take the next digit also. That is 23. Now check, 23 is greater than 8. That is greater than a divisor. So look at the table. Do we have 23 in 8 table? 8 threes are 24. We have 24, but it is greater than the dividend, the number. So we have to choose the previous one, that is 16. 8 twos are 16. So write 2 in the quotient, 16 below the number. Now subtract 23 and 16. What will you get? 7. 7 is smaller than the divisor. So we are going to bring down the next number. Now we have 74. Look at the table, children. Do we have 74? 8 nines are 72 and 8 tens are 80. So 80 is greater than the number. So we are going to take 72, which means 8 nines are 72. 9 in the quotient, 72 below the number. Now subtract 4 minus 2, it is 2. 7 minus 7, 0. Now it is smaller than the divisor. So we need to bring down the next number. That is 28. Now look at the table. Do we have 28? No. But we have 24, which is smaller than the number. So in which term we have 24? Yes, third time. 8 threes are 24. Write 3 in the quotient. 24 below the number. Now subtract the numbers. 8 minus 4 is 4. And 2 minus 2, 0. Now the quotient is 293 and the remainder is 4. We need to find two answers for this question. One is number of boxes were packed and number of markers are left over. So quotient is the first answer and remainder is the second answer. Now let us write the answer. First one is number of boxes packed. Quotient is the number of boxes packed. That is 293. boxes. And the second answer is number of markers left over. That is the remainder. What is the remainder? Yes, it is 4. So 4 markers were left over. Is this clear, children? I hope you understood the concept. Thank you, children. To receive our online lesson, press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.